everyone, once again it's Motozillions here. We are at the beautiful Anza Borrego desert. To be exact, we are in Ranchita. We got lots of rain. Now it's stopped for a little bit. It might be raining again. And we're gonna do some car camping tonight. Hopefully it rains some more. That's why I came down. Thanks for coming along. Well, I was wondering if we're gonna be flooded, but the rain stayed behind. It's way back there, and I was worried about if we're gonna make a fire and be able to cook, but looks like we might be fine. And here he comes. Oh, Roadrunner. We got a little split here, camping to the right. By the way, here is free camping. This is nice, huh? They got some bathrooms, but probably won't need it. I'm just gonna go drive around and decide where to camp. Well, looked like we found our spot, fellas. Might rain again on us. Well, let's get this going. It's drizzling. There's some thunders, but let's try to make it happen. Maybe we're still gonna get rained out, but let's get this party started. Oh yeah. There's still some thunderstorm, but it is what it is. Yeah. I just think that they're interested in my chips and salsa for sure. Well, we're staying right here behind this bush, and I just walked over here and I found the jam. Look at that. Firewood. Thank you. There we are right there. I took a little walk. Show you guys the land. Look at that, all this cactus, nice and green. That little guy is still up there. There it is. Not far away. I'm not sure if you can see it, but he's still hoping for some scraps. Even got a little bit of a desert grass growing here in this area. Look at that. I'll try to show you in the camera, but the grass is full of those little flowers. Some more right here. Not sure what they are, but they're all over the place. As you can see, my friends, it's raining, but there's always a way. So let's save the fire. We gotta cook some meat. Supposedly it's not gonna rain all night, so it should stop maybe in an hour. So we have time to hang. We got some wine, and we're chilling. It's quite relaxing. Put the firewood down there. They stay dry. This is actually pretty fun. Nice. We're still going. There's always a way. Look at that. Almost ready. You got soaked. I got free car wash in the desert. That's it. We saved the fire. We saved dinner. Still going. And look at that. And look who shows up just in time for dinner. Yes. Anza Borrego. And it's still drizzling a bit. Well, I don't need to tell you how amazing those bratwurst with onions and bread are. You already know. Cheers. Well, I climbed up here to have my second one with a view. We're back down here from up there. Put some wood in there. Found some more. Looks like we might have 1 more hour of sunlight, maybe a little more than that. It's a great evening. And way back there is the highway we came in. But maybe you can see it, but it's really bad definition. But right there, all through the mountains. This place is so awesome. Anza Borrego. We have this blue jay that came really close, and I don't even want to talk. Don't want to scare him out. He's so close. Round 2. And look at the sunset. The sunset's gone, but and there it is. We got a rainbow. It's drizzling again. We might have a double one coming. Beautiful sunset. The drizzle is back. The stakes are getting wet. I'm gonna set up the umbrella. All right, folks, it's just a little bit before dark, maybe another 10-15 minutes. Last couple pieces of the steak are heating up on the grill. I ate the whole thing. Look who's out there. There she is. The beautiful moon. Fire is burning hot. The wine is almost done. And I am almost done. So good night, everybody. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. There he is. Let's start all over again, make some coffee. Now the morning is complete. Cheers. Yeah, this is leaving it, fellas. I'm gonna enjoy a couple more of these guys and start packing up. It's almost time to go. We're back to the pavement. What a fun times. No one coming? Here we go, here we roll. Woo! Left hand shift, baby. Look at that. It's a blessing. Get out the city and have some peace and quiet. Here we are in Anza Borrego. I want to say thank you so much for everyone that watched this video all the way to the end. We really appreciate you. Our channel is growing, and that's thanks for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.